Hello friends, today we are going to assembling of the tripod 3110 of the premium quality tripod stand. We will tell you how it will be reassembled. So this is we ordered from the Flipkart and we will see how it will be assembled. So we are going to open this. So after opening there is a one more box inside this. Here is the packing of this. You find this tripod in two varieties. One is in this poly bag and one is the original that in a black color bag. So this is a tripod with this holder, this thing. So just open these three legs. It is like this, okay, and this is you can just make a movement through this, and this is we have to fix. This is a knot where we can just turn around and fix this one. So this is a movable. You can just fix this through this, loose or tighten. If we tighten, it will get fixed. If we lose this, it will move around. So we can fix this over this with the help of this thing. Just zoom it, come near, like this. You can just you put over there and tighten. Yeah, it got fixed. So basically we see here, this is a knot where can we fix it, and after that this is a holder where you can hold the stand like this. And if you want to make this length, then you have to open this like this and fix this, open this, fix this, open this, and don't forget to fix it. If you don't fix, then it will be like again it will disturb you, kind of disturbance will occur. So fix it so it won't move like that. And apart from this, here we can shake this thing. If you want a horizontal clip, like I will show you, you can put it like this. If you want, it will come over like this it will go. So if you want to fix this also in this way, you have this knot for the fixation. Just tight it and it will you fix this one. It will move all around. If you fix this one, this won't bend. This will bend around by fixing this. And this is actually to make a size bigger. To move this all around in all 360 degree direction, it will move around. So for this is one of the knot which will stop by the 360 degree movement, so it won't move, it will fix at the position. So this is the one. After that, to make your stand like you want a heighted, you want to take a video in a very heighted, so this is the one of the node which you can open this, not this one, this here. You turn around, it automatically comes up like this. Okay, again fix it. If you want another little more up, then go for the stands. Fix it, this, fix it, this, fix it. One more option, fix it, sorry, it's here, fix it, fix it. So this is the actual height of the stand where you get. Just bring it down. No, don't stop. Just bring it video down. It's okay. So this is the actual. So this is the like total assembling part, and we deassemble this in the same way. Go in the reverse order. Just put it up. Put it up. Just put it up. If you want to take a small clips of the video, like in a very short height, if you want to take a nearby videos like around 1 meter, you can go by this height.